The management of construction sites by the general contractor is an antiquated process that is often performed via ad hoc and ineffective methods such as pencil and paper, whiteboards, notes apps on phones, and conversations. This leads to wasted time, miscommunication, and a lack of knowledge, which all ultimately lead to more money spent by the contracting firm. Our group, Capstone Intelligence, identified a gap in the market and found that there is no current solution to address the specific needs of construction site supervisors. Under the guidance of an assistant site supervisor who experienced these frustrations firsthand, we decided to build a digital solution to solve these issues.
Hi, I'm Hassan.
Hi, I'm Nicholas.
Hi, I'm Samuel.
And I'm Josh, and we're Capstone Intelligence.
Capstone Intelligence has created a software solution that will aid the general contractors in managing their job site and understanding better what is happening both day-to-day and long-term. This software solution will support daily reporting, the scheduling and organization of on-site deliveries, and tracking of milestones and equipment.
Let's take a quick look at some of the key features of Capstone Intelligence. After logging into the app, the user will see a calendar of the current month. Some dates have dots beneath them that each symbolize a delivery occurring on that day. There is also a side drawer that allows admin users to add, modify, and delete the equipment, subcontractors, and delivery locations for the given job site. These collections appear in different places throughout the app. Selecting one of these options displays a list of all corresponding items for the given job site, for example, the equipment. Note that non-admin users have limited access to this screen. Admin users, however, can add new pieces of equipment to the app as they arrive on site. If they need to make a change, they're free to do so. When a piece of equipment is removed from the site, they can delete it, with the option to add it back later if necessary. In contrast to equipment, anyone can schedule a delivery. Each delivery can be linked to a piece of equipment and is displayed in its color. If an associated piece of equipment gets deleted or undeleted, the delivery is automatically updated to reflect this change. As with equipment, deliveries can be modified and deleted, but only by the user who created them. If the same piece of equipment is assigned to multiple concurrent deliveries, it is easy for users to see this conflict, as the deliveries will then have the same color. Users can also easily see the complete history of the delivery, seeing which changes were made and by whom. Capstone Intelligence also allows users to contribute to daily site reports that will be given to upper management. They can input the main type of weather for that day, as well as which employees were present. Information on the subcontractors present for that day can also be added, including the number of people from each trade that were present, the length of time the subcontractor was on site, and the tasks that were worked on. As with all data in the app, this can be saved and modified later if need be. Finally, the user can also keep track of upcoming milestones that must be completed, ensuring that they never miss a deadline. This is just a brief overview of the functionality offered by Capstone Intelligence.
The app also includes many other features including authentication, data exporting, and employee management.
To make all of these features work together, many engineering decisions were necessary. One example of these is the development and reuse of what we called shared components. These allow for common features to be consistent throughout all parts of our app. Some shared components that we developed are dialogues for displaying alerts and revision histories, fields for data entry, and app bars for the topic pages.
There are a few other competitors in the construction technology industry, but they all focus on different functionality or are general management solutions. What makes our implementation unique is simplicity. It focuses exclusively on the desired use cases for construction site management, including all their desired functionality, without including extra frills that would clutter the application.
Here are some testimonies. From Craig Cormier, who's a foreman on an Ellisdon job site in Toronto, said that the delivery section is the best way he can get organized while using the app.
The app is currently pending approval on both the Google Play Store and App Store. We currently have a client from a large general contractor who will be using it on site as soon as mid-April. Next steps include feature enhancements, bug fixes, UI updates, and analysis of subcontractor data. For any questions or inquiries, please reach out to our email.